Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the Boolean algebra and the different laws of Boolean algebra. In this video we will discuss only the fourth law of Boolean algebra. So let's start the video. Here firstly, what is Boolean variable? Boolean variable, that means it gives the value on 0 or 1. It gives two values 0 and 1, that variable is called Boolean variable. Suppose here is a if a contain 0 or if a contain 1, so a is called a Boolean variable. Next, we discuss about the Boolean's law. What is Boolean's law? Boolean's law is used to simplify any expression. We have to simplify any expression. We use a Boolean's law. There are 9 types of Boolean law. First is property of 0 and 1. Second one is complementary law. Third one is idempotent law. Fourth one is involution law. Fifth one is commutative law. Sixth is distributive law. Seventh is associative law. Eighth is absorption law. And ninth one is De Morgan theorem. So in this video we will discuss only a fourth law. So let's start the laws of a Boolean algebra. So first law is property of 0 and 1. So this is the property of 0 and 1. If here a is a variable, or a is a Boolean variable because it contain two value. A is a Boolean variable because it contain two value. A contain either 0 or 1. So if any variable we add 1, so what is the output? Let's solve this question. We draw a one truth table. Here a, the value, it is a one variable, so the input is 0 or 1. Let's add this 1 in this variable. So add 1. So add this number 0 plus 1, answer is 1. 0 plus 1, answer is 1. So in any variable we can add 1, so the output is 1. The answer of this laws is 1. Output is 1. So next, a plus 0, that means add a 0 in any variable. So we have to add a 0. Suppose this is input, add 0. What is the output? 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So in any variable we add 0. So result is not change. It is same as it is the variable of a. Here the input is 0. The output is 0. The input is 1. Output is 1. So result is matched with the input value. So I am written here a because answer is same as it is input. Next, multiply by 1. If any value we multiply by 1, suppose 0 or 1, it is the input, multiply by 1. So 0 into 1. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. Here a is a variable. Let's multiply by 1. So if any number 0 multiply by 1, output is 0. If one number is 1, multiply by 1 and output is 1. Here the result is same as it is input value. Result is same with the input value. This is a result. These are same with the a. So here I am written a. Next, a into 0. Let's a 0. The value of input is 0, 1. Then this is dot, that means multiply. Multiply by 0, multiply by 0. Output is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Here if any variable we multiply by 0, the output is 0. So the result is 0. These are the 4 laws of property of 0 and 1. That means firstly we add the 0, then multiply by 0, then add the 1, then multiply by 1. This is the first laws of Boolean algebra. Next we move to the second law. Second is complementary law. Second one is complementary law. What is the meaning of complementary? What is complement? Suppose if any variable is a, so the complement of a is a dash or a naught. This is the complement of a. Complement, that means opposite value. Complement, that means opposite value. So here we have to add this complement with the original number and multiply with this complement with the original number. So the complement of first law, complementary law, first law is, we can, this is a variable, this is a input, then we multiply by the complementary value. This is the complement of a. Second one is, this is the input value, and add with the complementary value. So what is the output? Let's find the output here. A dash, or here is output. So the input of a is 0 or 1. A dash, that means complement of a. Complement of a, that means negation of a or opposite value of a. The value of 0, then the negative value is 1. Then input value is 1, so the negative value is 0. So find the output. This is the output 1, a into a dash. This is the output 2, a plus a dash. So a into a dash, that means 0 into 1. 0 into 1, output is 0. 1 into 0, output is 0. Then here plus 0 plus 1, that means 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1. So the output of a into a dash is 0. Output of a into a dash is 0. And output of a plus a dash is 1. This is 1. So the complementary law is, these are the two complementary law. A into a dash, a into a dash, that means complement of same variable, equal to 0, a plus a dash equal to 1. This is the complementary law. Next we move to the next law. The next law is idempotent law. Idempotent law. What is the idempotent law? Variable added multiply with the same variable. That means suppose here is a variable a, added, that means plus, or multiply, that means into, with same variable. Same, that means again here we written a and a, multiply with a, addition with a. Here added or multiply with same value, added or multiply with same value. So what is the output of this law? Let's find out the output of this law. Suppose a, again we written a, then find out a plus a, again find out a into a. This is the sign of into, and this is also sign of into. This is the star asterisk, this is also sign of into. So this is one variable, so the input is 0 or 1. Again here is a, so again I am written the same value, that is 0 or 1. A plus a, that means 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1. Multiply, 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So here is the output, a plus a, that means 0 or 1. This is the same value with the input value. Here also 0 plus 1. This is the same value as the input value. So the output of this I am written equal to the input value. Output is equal to the input value. So I am written here is A. Next, here A into A, output is 0 or 1. It is also same with the input value. So it is equal to the input value, that means A. So the output is A. These are the two laws of idempotent law. These are the two idempotent law. Next, we move to the involution law. Involution law. What is the involution law? Involution law, that means double complement. Everyone know what is complement? Complement, that means if I am written A, the complement of A is A dash, and the double complement, again the complement of A dash, that means A dash. This is the double complement of this variable. This is the double complement or one more complement. So what is the output of this value? Here let's we take the input value A dash and A dash whole dash. Input 0, 1, A dash, that means negative value of this variable. Here is I am written 1. So the negative value of A is 1 and the negative value of 1 is 0. Again the complement of A dash. Complement of A dash, that means complement of A dash, this value. We have to find the complement of this value. So the complement of 1 is 0. The complement of 0 is 1. The complement of A dash, that means the complement of 1 is 0 and the complement of 0 is 1. Let's we check. This answer is same as the input value. That means this and this are same, and let's we write A are equal to the A dash whole dash. That means this value and this are same because the output are same, result are same. This is the involution law. This is the fourth one of Boolean algebra. For the next law, you have to check my other video, and please subscribe my channel to get the notification of more video. Thank you.